Okay, welcome to Shabit Uganda e-learning. My name is Nelson, and in today's video we are going to look at what we call multiplication. We're going to look at multiplication in what? In the bases. So when we talk about multiplication in bases, we shall only be multiplying these numbers. And when you multiply numbers in bases, they will still remain in bases, okay? So we have various examples here. They are saying multiply our 2 base 5 times 3, okay? So when they say 2 base 5 times 3, the answer that we shall get shall still be in base what? In the base 5, because we are just multiplying, all right? So when we multiply this number, we have our 2 times 3. We get our 2 times 3 is 6. But when you look at our base here, our answer is greater than, okay? Our answer, which is 6, is greater than our base, which is 5. So we cannot write our answer to be greater than what? To be greater than our base. So here what we do is to ensure that we change, or we make our answer to be smaller than our base. So when we are multiplying and addition, we divide our answer by the what? We divide it by the what? By the base. So we write, after dividing it, then we write the remainders, okay? So when we divide our 6 by 5, we get 1 remainder what? Remainder 5. So this simply means that our answer here now is going to be 1 base what? Base 5. So this is how they came up with the answer. So another part 2, which is workout 2 4 2 1 base 5 times 2. This is how the operation is always done. So when you say our 2 times 1, we get 2. 2 times what? 2 times 2, we get 4. Then 2 times 4, we get 8. So our 8 is greater than what? We can't write it here because it's greater than our base, which is 5. Then we say our 8 divided by 5. We say 1 remainder what? Remainder 3. So we come and write the whole remainder here, which is 1 remainder what? 3. That's why we're able to say 1 remainder 3, then 4 2 base what? Base 5. So as far as multiplication, that's how we can be able to solve these numbers, okay? So let's try out some other few numbers in relation to what we have been doing, for us to get covered and to get used to is calculating these numbers, okay? So here we are going to say this is going to be our solution, okay? This is our what? Our solution. Then this is going to be our part A. Okay, our part A is, we have our 3, we have our 2, we have a 1, then times what? Times 2. This is multiplication. All this is going to be in what? In base 5, and our answer should be also in base 5. So what we say, we just say our 1 times 2 times 1, which say this is 2, then 2 times this. 2 times 2, we get 4. Then 2 times this, we get 6. So when we get 6, the same as 6 divided, because 6 is greater than our base, which is 5, we say 6 divided by what? 6 divided by 5. We get 1 remainder 1. 1 remainder what? Remainder 1. So that simply means we shall be able to write our answer here as, okay? So after writing our answer in that one, we shall have done with that number. Then we also come to our part B. Our part B is 4 2 1, then by 4. we multiply 4 times 1, we get 4, times 2, we get 4 times 2, we get 8. So we shall say 8 divided by 5, which is our base. We get 1 remainder 3, 1 remainder what? Remainder 3. So we come and write our 1, 3. We say 4 times what? 4 times this. 4 times 4, we get 16. We say 16 divided by 5. Okay, we get 2, remainder what? Is it 2 or 3? Okay, we have 16 divided by 5, we can get 3 remainder. Remainder 1, okay? 3 remainder, because when you say 3 times 5 is 15, okay? So we say 3 remainder 1. 3 remainder 1. So all this shall still be in base what? In base 5. Then we have our other number, which is 1, 1, 3, 3. What is 3 times 3? 6. 6 divided by 5, 1, remainder 1. 3 times 1, we have a 3 here. Okay, and also here we have a 3. All this should be in base what? Base 5. Our other number is 1, 1, 0 by 5. Okay, we have a 0 here. Then we also have a 5 here. Then a 5 here. All should be in base what? In base 5. So here we shall have solved out our what? Our numbers, okay? So in this, we shall have done with multiplication of these numbers. The best thing to do and to understand this is to see the product of what? Of your number. If it is greater than the base, then you divide it and write the what? The remainder. Okay, so for this lesson, I should be able to stop here and meet in our next lesson. Please be able to subscribe and put in our comment for us to do the best that fits your understanding. Thank you. God bless you. See you in the next lesson.